most important thing about your facelift is, first of all, what kind of result are you going to expect? We're not going to make you look different. We're going to restore and make a more natural appearance than where you are now. The point of it is that when you meet somebody you haven't seen for a few years, they're going to recognize you immediately. They're just going to think, you look better than I remember, and I'm not sure why. There are many types of ways to do a facelift. We do a multi-leveled facelift in which we actually tighten the lining layers of the muscles under the skin. When we age, it's not just the skin that droops, it's the facial muscles too. So if we depend on the skin just to hold up all of the contents of the face that have aged, skin is elastic and it will stretch out again over the next 6 months. So by doing a multi-layered facelift, we get a more dramatic result. There's not so much tension on the skin, and you get a long-lasting facelift. I had a lady referred to me, actually from the Dominican Republic, that I did the full facelift, and she and her husband afterwards traveled to Paris, and she was stopped at customs, and they insisted that this passport was not her picture. She got the biggest kick laughing about that throughout the rest of the trip. Now, after 7 to 10 days, you should be able to put on makeup. By 2 to 3 weeks after surgery, you should look good with makeup on, and by 3 to 4 weeks, you should look terrific with or without. When you have your surgery done in our practice, it's done in our facility. We opened this in January of 2000. It is a state-licensed ambulatory surgery center. This is not simply doctor's office surgery. When you choose us to do your surgery, we want to make sure every aspect of it is going to be the best available anywhere, from the surgery center to our hand-holding staff, to the quality of the work I do, and all of your follow-up care as well.
My name is Brenda. About 5 years ago, I was going through a difficult time in my life and decided that it had really taken a toll on my face, the emotions that I'd gone through and so forth, and felt like I was looking older than I felt on the inside. And I came into Dr. Wilcox, and he talked to me about, what I might do, and we looked at all the different options and came up with the idea that doing a full facelift would give me the best results. Dr. Wilcox is very easy to work with. He gives you a very realistic idea of how your results will be. I feel like the results I got are very natural. I don't feel like that when somebody looks at me that they automatically think, oh, she's had a facelift, which, there are people out there that have had multiple facelifts that you do, sometimes you're able to tell.